Here's a quick tour of the Vintage Coach Carousel Bag, style number 9942 in the color black. This bag was made in the US in 1994. So this is a cute little bag. It's got a top handle up here, as you can see, and it also comes with a detachable and adjustable strap. So here's where you could adjust the strap here, and then you can attach it to these little hardware pieces here along the top handle area. And it also comes with the matching hang tag. It says Coach on both sides of the hang tag. So that's how you could attach the strap to the bag. So I'll go ahead and give you a quick overview of the bag now. So here's obviously the front, the side, and then the front and back pretty much look the same. Here's what the bottom of the bag looks like. It's got this split seam down the middle of the bottom of the bag, and then here's the top view. And as you can see, it's got a zip closure with a matching black zipper pull. And then when we open the bag, it's got two interior hanging pockets. So here's the first hanging pocket. This one has the creed stamped on it, as you could see. And then here's the second hanging pocket. So the pocket that has the creed, I forgot to mention, it also has a zip closure. So that is the carousel bag, and this bag is available now on our online store, so I will leave the link below if you wanted to check her out further. And also there will be links to follow us below on social media if you want to keep up to date with new bags as we post them. And there's also a link to join our email list if you want to stay updated with the store there as well. So all of that information and those links will be below in the description box. Otherwise, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.